Welcome back. This episode we're going to talk about managing the ride and the non-humans you're going to come across, because we're not alone out there. Let's go. Be comfortable. There's plenty of distance to cover in New South Wales, so get a good night's sleep before you set off. Riding on the dirt is a lot more physically demanding than sealed roads. Treat yourself to even better quality protective gear if you can, that's as breathable as possible. Check out the MotoCat website for some ideas, link in the description. And make your seat comfy, you'll be on it plenty. GPS distractions. It's always good to know where you're going, but when you're moving, just focus on the riding. Watch the dirt, not the GPS. Put away the gadgets when you get to the dirt, or at least turn them off. Drink water. You'll dehydrate quicker on the dirt because it's way more physical than the tar. Some riders swear by a hydration pack. Just make sure you drink some water before you get into the gnarly stuff. An early lunch and a sugar and water stop in the morning is always a good idea. Have a break. Stop often. It's not a race. Getting fuel is a great time to rest. Go to the loo, check the bike, or have a drink. But anywhere safe to stop is worth considering. So many photo opportunities. Relax and smile. We've talked about this before. Relax. Look as far down the road as you can. Loosen those shoulders. Relax your grip. Take nice easy breaths. And ride with a smile, because attitude matters. Remember, you're living the dream every time you get on that bike, so enjoy it. Now to animals. They're all idiots, but sometimes they get a death wish. Let's start with the natives. Roos, wallabies, wombats, emus, there's a lot of them about. Danger times are near dawn and dusk, so it's best to finish your riding at least a couple of hours before sunset. The minute you see any native wildlife on the road ahead, slow right down. Roos are especially bad at following each other onto roads. Expect a mob even if you only see one. And the emu, Australia's largest bird, can grow to over 2 meters in height and run at up to 50 kilometers an hour. You can come across them anywhere in New South Wales, on the coast, on the ranges, and especially out west. Now, while they're great runners, they're not great thinkers. Emus, like roos, will follow each other right into your way if you're unlucky. Managing speed is the best option as soon as you spot them. Next, let's talk about sheep and cows. You're definitely going to come across them on the dirt. Sometimes the track you're on is literally going through a paddock of animals. You're in their space after all, so just slow down and don't spook them. Wait for them to move off the track and don't trap them against a fence. It won't end well. Of course, you'll come across man's best friend. They're good at running and barking, but it's unlikely they're going to kamikaze into you, unlike this one. The bigger danger is that you, the rider, overreact, swerve and create bigger problems. Just keep going straight, they'll soon back off. A startled horse, be that one with a rider on a back road or a wild Brumbie in the high country, can be a very dangerous encounter, so give them as much respectful space as you can. A wedgetail on a carcass or a flock of birds taking off can also quickly spoil your day. Really, the only solution is managing your speed and steering clear. Last but not least, deer. Across the state there's an estimated 500,000 of them wandering around, creating all sorts of environmental damage, as non-native species tend to do. Worse, they can wander onto a road any time, run up to 50 kilometers an hour and jump up to 3 meters, and they're big. Any collision is going to end badly for you. They prefer dense woodland, so it's going to be the national parks and state forests where your risk level will be highest. But of course, you just have to expect the unexpected. We hope you have a great time exploring the dirt roads and back roads of New South Wales. We really do live in the lucky country when it comes to motorcycling. Just practice your skills, watch your speed, keep your eyes open, and have some fun. Till next time.